Welcome to Nova Videos. In this video I'm going to show you the functionality of the windower in the Nova software. The windower. The windower is a command which can be used to narrow down from a complete dataset to the data which you are interested in. For example, in a multiple CV scans to extract only the last scan. Another example of the windower is, for example, to delete data points which can influence the analysis. For example, remove the negative impedance values in an impedance measurement. Welcome to Nova software. First, we have to select demo file 19. Go to Open Library, select Demo Database, and then select Demo 19 Cyclic Photometry Vero Ferry. This is a cyclic photometry with multiple scans, so there are 3 scans inside of this measurement. If you want to extract the last scan, we have to enter the windower. For example, in the command tools, you will find in data handling the windower command. The windower we can drag and drop inside the CV staircase. With the windower, we can select the source. And in our case, it's scan, but we can also source on potential applied, time, current, where we're interested in the scan. If you select the More button, we can decide which scan we'd like to see. Well, I'm interested in the 3rd scan, so I select 3. In the plots, you can enable it, I versus E, and then you can give it a different color, like for example, red. Now I've extracted one single CV from a multiple scan. And now you can do your analysis like peak search. Alright, this is for CV. We can also do this for impedance measurements. And with impedance measurements, I have an example. This is a demo data where you see a negative impedance. If you want to remove this negative impedance, you can drag and drop the windower again inside of this data file. So drag and drop the windower. Now we have to find out which source. Well, first of all, we have to find out how much data points does this data has. This we can do with the toggle, the step through data toggle. And this is my first point, and this is my last point. So we have 50 points. And the first 8 points are negative. So if I step through the data, when I go to my 8th point, you will see it becomes positive. So I have to remove the first 7 data points. This I can do with the windower. So I go back to my windower. I will source on the index. And with the More button, I can select individual files, individual data points. So there are 50 data points, but I can also put a range of what I'm interested in. I'm interested from 8 till 50, for example. Then I can give a plot, a Nyquist plot, and again, I can give it a different color. After I've done this, I've extracted only the positive values of the impedance. And with these positive values, I can add analysis. For example, I can do an electrochemical circle fit. So I can drag and drop electrochemical circle fit to this data to determine the first semicircle, for example. Thank you for watching Nova videos. If you found this new Nova video helpful, please like and share with your colleagues. You can subscribe to the Metrohm Autolab YouTube channel so you are notified when new videos are available.